Okay, before we move on further, I just want to mention a few takeaways when it comes to social engineering. This will be a quick video, and we're moving right after this to the endpoint security. So first things first is that you should never click on suspicious links from emails, messages, or websites. The second thing is to always check whether the connection is HTTP or HTTPS. The third thing is never give away your password, your security question answer, or two-factor authentication or verification code. The next thing is if you think you were a target of a social engineering attack, always change your password as soon as possible. And the last thing is it's best to always directly go to the specific website that you want to log into, than to click on some link that came either from email or from SMS message or from anywhere else at all. It's always best to directly type in the domain and visit it over your browser. Nonetheless, we already know all of this, but I just wanted to make it in a quick little video to be just the key takeaways for social engineering. Thank you for watching this volume, and I will see you in the next volume where we will talk about endpoint security.